Picture this: a chameleon as a makeup artist, an octopus as an underwater artist, or a peacock as the ultimate fashion designer. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this is the next big viral trend for 2025, animals doing human jobs. If you've been following my channel, you already know we've explored trends like animal chefs and animal drivers, and even created 4 brand new animal niches for 2025. But when I asked you which niche deserved its own dedicated video, animals taking on human jobs completely stole the spotlight. Here's why you should dive in right now. Creators are gaining thousands of followers just by consistently posting animal-themed content, with each post racking up hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views. I wouldn't be surprised if they're making $5,000 to $10,000 a month simply by selling digital products through these videos. And the best part? This niche is just getting started. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are perfect for turning your creativity into income. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through creating viral-worthy animal job videos that captivate audiences. Stick around till the end for insider tips to help you maximize your earnings in this untapped niche. Does that sound exciting? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Step 1. Creating the perfect prompt. The first step to creating these incredible videos is crafting image prompts that capture the unique charm of animals doing human jobs. But let's face it, coming up with creative prompts can take a lot of time. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a sample prompt to save you hours of brainstorming. You'll find it in the video description. Here's what you do. Open ChatGPT and paste the sample prompt. Ask ChatGPT to generate 10 more similar prompts featuring animals doing different jobs. Hit enter, and in seconds, you'll have a full list of prompts to explore. If you'd like access to the exact prompts I used for this video, drop a comment below and I'll share my Google Docs link with you. Step 2. Generating the images. Now that we have our prompts, let's generate some high-quality images. For this, I recommend using Leonardo AI, which creates stunning, hyper-realistic images. Here's how to do it. Go to Leonardo AI, sign in with your Google or email account, and you'll get 150 free tokens daily. Once logged in, click Image Generation and select Leonardo Phoenix 1.0 from the preset options. Choose Auto for the prompt enhancer, and for lifelike look, select 3D render style. Adjust the ratio to 9:6 to match Instagram Reels. Paste your image prompt into the field and hit Generate. In seconds, you'll have 4 adorable images to choose from. Pick your favorite and click Download. Repeat this process for all the animal images you want to create. If this has been helpful so far, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more creators like you. Step 3. From images to videos. Now that your images are ready, let's transform them into stunning video clips using an image-to-video generator. For this tutorial, we'll use Hailuo AI. Visit their website and click Sign In. Log in with Google to access free tokens. New users get 1,100 tokens valid for 3 days. Click Try Now on the generation page and set the model to the latest version. Upload your image, paste your motion prompt, and hit Create. In minutes, Hailuo AI will turn static images into dynamic video clips. If you run out of credits, you can create another account or try alternative tools like Kling AI or Pixverse. Here's a preview of what we created. Wow, just look at these clips. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like and share it. It helps other creators discover this exciting niche. Step 4. Upscaling for HD quality. Let's take your videos to the next level by upscaling them for crisp, high-definition quality. This step ensures your content stands out on any platform. We'll use CapCut's Video Upscaler. Visit their website, click Magic Tools, and select Video Upscaler. Upload your video, click Upscale, and let CapCut handle the rest. Once it's done, click Export and download your HD video. Step 5. Final edits. Now that we've got all our clips, it's time to bring them together into one professional video. Here's how. Open CapCut and click Create Project. Import your clips, then add them to the timeline. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Remove any watermarks by cropping or resizing the video. Add transitions like black fade for a smooth, professional look. For music, explore platforms like the YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay, or Epidemic Sound. Or use trending songs to increase your reach on platforms like TikTok. Pro tip: use a video montage of your animal professionals as an intro. Add text like, "You're faded. Who are you hiring?" This sparks engagement, as viewers will want to comment while watching. Lastly, add text animations to label each animal and its job, like peacock fashion designer or chameleon makeup artist. When everything's perfect, click export to save your masterpiece.
You're faded. Who are you hiring?
Now for the exciting part, turning your videos into income. Here are a few creative monetization strategies. Partner with pet or animal-related brands for sponsorships. Use affiliate links in your descriptions to promote relevant products. Sell custom merchandise inspired by your animal job characters. The possibilities are endless. This isn't just a viral trend, it's a full-blown income stream waiting to happen. And there you have it, your complete guide to creating viral videos in the animals doing jobs niche. This trend is exploding right now, and the window for early adopters won't last forever. So, take action today. Your viral moment could be just one video away. If you're ready to dive into this exciting niche, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments which animal job you're most excited to create. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips to grow your channel and income in 2025. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you create.